And the problem with autoimmune issues is that our body is actually attacking us. And it's not doing it on purpose. It's just part of these types of disorders. And one of the biggest things that autoimmune issue does is it alters the collagen matrix, which again is the fascia. And it can cause things like fibrosis. It can cause a stiffening of connective tissues. So, for a lot of people who have autoimmune issues, when they're sitting for long periods of time, they get up and their joints feel very stiff and tight. They wake up in the morning, they're very tight. It turns out that daily living is causing the exact same effect, even if you don't have an autoimmune issue. Even people without autoimmune issues have these same issues. So the thing about the inflammatory response that's occurring is it's altering really key cells in our fascia, both the fibroblasts, these cells that produce the collagen matrix, and these newer cells that have been discovered in the past couple of years called fasciocytes, which are the ones that produce hyaluronin. And hyaluronin is so important because that's what creates the gliding and sliding in fascia. And what MELT is here to do is to help ease the compression in and stimulate these cells to try to get them back into their activation and try to restore some of the sliding and gliding in the connective tissue, and also to reduce the stress accumulation that occurs in the nervous system in general, because when the nervous system is affected through inflammation, there are these key cells called glial cells. And glial cells are like 90% of your brain cells are glia, but a ton of glia live in fascia. And so if the glia and fascia are having issues, the brain will also become affected because they're all inherently linked as well. And so what I found with my clients who have these mixed connective tissue disorders or inflammatory disorders, autoimmune issues, that the secret of using MELT is this gentle approach of just easing compression in, trying to quiet the stress reflex to try to reset the nervous system's communication between the fascia and the nervous system in general. And it's powerful.